ya kuhinga kigamano kia mathomo maria marakuruhanagia arutani a kothi itiganite cia moko hamwe na nyiti itemi sekta-ini ya Jua Kali thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Nyandarua. Murugamiriri munene wa mihang'o ya githomo giki guku bururi-ini Stanley Maindi ni atariirie makinya maria ministry ya githomo ikoretwo igitacukia niguo gutigirira andu ni magie na mieke meigananu ya mawira.
There are very many forms of learning. People acquire knowledge, they acquire skills outside the formal school system. We have abundant skills in our Jua Kali sector. These people are very good in their respective skill areas. They are working, they are driving our economy, but they are disadvantaged because they don't have certificates. And so it is this that the government started this program called Recognition of Prior Learning. The aim is to identify these people in the Jua Kali sector, the MSMEs, and assess them and give them certificates. These certificates will be useful when it comes to joining learning institutions. They can also be useful in getting jobs, employment or promotions. You are given better salaries. They are also used in applying and competing for government contracts.
Mubango uyu wa gutuma arutani ya MATURAINI urongoreirie kuhe mweke andu aria mari na ugi na umenyo wa kothi ngurani cia moko kwa ihinda iraya indi matiahotire kuingira thukuru na kugia certificate ingimateithia kwandikwo mawira. Maindi augite mwaka uyu maratanya gukinyira na kuhe certificate andu makiria ma 700,000 undu uria uguteithia kuihuria mathenya ma wagi wa aruti a wira a kothi cia moko guku bururi-ini na nja wa bururi.
This week we were training in Nyandarua County. Institutions around Nyandarua County and the environs met here at Nyandarua National Polytechnic to train a total of 69 trainers, and also people from the industry have been trained. 5 days of face-to-face training on how to become RPL practitioners. We have the same training going on at Meru National Polytechnic. That one is targeting the upper eastern region. So
Murutani munene wa thukuru uyu Felix Mung'atu augite ni mehariirie kuhe mweke andu aria marenda kuongerera githomo kiao gia kothi cia moko riri na andu mahoetwo kunyitanira na gikundi kia arutani aya mamacerera matura-ini. Handu-ini ya Kameme TV kuma thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa Nyandarua kaunti-ini ya Nyandarua ni njitagwo Francis Mwangi wa Mawira.